All right, I wanted to quickly go over some Google Sheets functions so that you can get caught up to speed. I don't know how much you've done, and so I thought it'd be helpful for you to learn some of this. So we're going to be doing it with graphs. We're going to do a lot of things with Google Sheets, but we're going to do a lot with graphs. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to make a graph. You probably already know, but then I'm going to show you how to clean up the sheet so it looks a little more profesh. So I'm going to put in an X and a Y to make a table. And then the X value is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're talking about linear functions or linear sequences. So I'm going to put in a pattern, a sequence, and it's going to go up by the same amount every time. I'm just going to do a simple one for an example. So we're going to have 2, and then we'll go up by 3. So we'll go to 5. And go up by 3 to 8, go up by 3 to 11, 14. And by the way, quick little trick, highlight your sequence like this, grab the bottom right corner, and Google will figure out the sequence and continue it for you. Nice, right? So once you've done that, a couple things you can do. You can grab the entire table, highlight it like that, and then go to Insert, Chart. And it's going to guess what kind of chart you want to use. Don't trust it in this case. You can trust it to continue your pattern, but we don't want a scatter chart for this. It's not the appropriate graph or chart, so we're just going to go to line. For now, nice and simple. There are cooler ones you can do, but as I said, I'm just going to do this quickly. So there it is. We said it was linear. That's why it's linear, because it's a line. I'm going to shrink the size of this. Always use the corner, please. I don't like getting graphs or photos or pictures that are squished. By grabbing the corner, you keep it in the same proportions. So I'm going to move it over so we can see both. And yeah, we're good to go. You can add X and Y. You can add titles and things. Well, it's got them there. This is good enough. Now I want to show you a quick little trick. This looks fine. It's okay. Let's make it a little more aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to take the table and highlight it. And then I'm going to go to Format and do alternating colors. I like it. It's easier to read. It's not just aesthetically pleasing. Choose a color format you want. I like this one. And then you've got your alternating colors. Okay, looks good. Nice and clean. Now, to go the next step and look extra profesh, you want to get rid of all the cells in the background. They're a distraction. So there are a couple ways of doing this. What I'm going to do is I am going to go to View and take out the grid lines. Not bad, right? If you're happy with this, great. What I would suggest, just to embolden your table, is to grab the table, highlight it, go over here to Borders, and then choose something you like. I think this is good. And now we've got a nice, neat sheet, and it's clean. It does the job and looks professional. By the way, you can export either one of these and put them into a doc. Click on it, press Control-C if you're on a PC, Chromebook, or Command-C on a Mac, and then just Control-V or Command-C into a doc or a slideshow, whatever you want. And that's pretty profesh. All right, I hope that helps. You're going to need to know how to do that, so watch this again if you want.